Before this video, we gave you a look at the DJI Mini 4K open box units. Now let's check out Like New. For Like New, we focus on three things: appearance, performance, and the battery. These cover the key points you need to consider when choosing a drone. For the appearance, it has to look like new, with no damage or scratches. Performance is held to the same standard. And the battery? Most Like New units have only 1 to 3 cycles, so you can fly with confidence. Up next, see our team in action as they inspect drones that qualify as Like New. The arms are in perfect condition with no scratches or cracks. Next, we're going to open the battery compartment and check it out. You can see the battery compartment is flawless. Rest assured, we'll also be doing a flight test later. Next, we'll power on the drone and let it run a self-check. The remote is also powering on fine with no scratches or damage. Since Like New units are already activated and used, we just connect the remote, go through a few self-check steps, and get ready for takeoff. All right, the self-check is complete. Now we're all set to fly. Next, we'll test a few of the drone's functions. The gimbal tilts and pans just fine. Let's check out the drone's shooting features. You can see that the camera's photo and video modes are functioning normally. All functions are working, and the drone looks like new. That's exactly what we mean by Like New.